So today's class, I'm going to be taking you through how this beautiful little prop, which is known as the yoga wheel, is going to be very helpful for you to practicing some postures that's going to help strengthen your core, so that Uddiyana Bandha right here. I've had my wheel from Yogi Bear for about 3 to 4 years now, and I absolutely love it. There is no way that I could live my yoga practice without a wheel now that I know how much it has given to me and how amazing it makes me feel, especially with my back bending. So I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. Let's come and meet on the mat.
This is a great way to improve your core stability. So plank pose, where you place your hands on top of the wheel, start to balance on your tiptoes and really fire up the core here. The second variation of plank pose is where you place your tiptoes on top of the wheel and your hands are facing down onto the mat. Another great way to stabilize and strengthen your core using this beautiful prop. I sometimes use the wheel in this way, so I pull one knee towards the tricep. It's a great way to strengthen through your core and also build up confidence and strength to prepare you for Kundinyasana, your flying split arm balance. We can use this prop to support us in our reverse plank pose, a great way to find balance and stability through the core as well as open through the shoulders and the deltoids. Keep pressing your feet down onto the top of the wheel and send the gaze up. Next, we have Navasana, so boat pose. You can either stay still or you can take different variations like this, where you bring the heels down to the floor and then lift it up. And try and reach the arms forwards, holding that wheel so you're really starting to work through your shoulders and the deltoid muscles as well, along with your core. Next, we have high lunge. So it's a great way to open your hips, but at the same time, whilst you're in this lunge pose, it is calling for core stability. Next, we have reverse tabletop. It's a chest and shoulder opening here, but in order to stabilize yourself in this position, your core is going to have to work to kind of find you in this steady balance. Next, we have a dolphin pose. So if anyone's performed dolphin with or without the wheel, you know it's going to have to require a lot of core strength. So keep tiptoeing your feet forwards until you feel your hips are kind of directly above the shoulders. Of course, if you would like, you can also take it up into your forearm balance. With any inversion, we need to engage our core. So Uddiyana Bandha is fired up. We lift one leg and then scissor the legs together to come into your forearm balance. Keep pressing the forearms down and allow your head to rest on the wheel. I love using the yoga wheel to practice this backbend variation of my pincha practice. Again, same way as you come up into your normal pincha, just lift your favorite leg up, come into a split forearm balance, and then start to press into your forearms as you bend the leg that is over the head and see if your toes can come closer towards touching the wheel. This is a challenging and very deep back-bending inversion practice, so come into it with care and pay a lot of attention to how your spine is feeling. A different type of inversion that you can practice is similar to the pincha, forearm stand balance. However, in this case, we're going to draw the knees in towards the chest and come into this nice little tuck position. So start by lifting your favorite leg, scissor the feet together, push down into the forearms and engage your lats, and then with control, slowly start to bring the knees down towards the chest as you tilt your bum a little bit further backwards to find some balance. The wheel can provide a lot of stability for us whilst we are building the strength and confidence to try different types of leg variations in your forearm balance. A nice variation you can practice is Garudasana, or eagle leg variation. Bend one knee, crisscross the knee over the other, and maybe take a double bind if you want. Press down into the forearms and engage the core. A nice little balance that you can practice is tripod headstand, learning how to pike. So place the top of your head at 12 o'clock, your hands at 5 and 7. The toes are on the wheel at this point, and then when you feel ready, point the toes, lift them off the wheel. You need to try and send your bum back a tiny bit here and remain in your L-shaped pike. And last but not least, any arm balance will always require some core strength. Placing your toes on the wheel and then rest your knees on the shelf of the arms. When you're ready, start to lift the toes off and fly in your crow pose.
Hi everyone, I hope that you found that little tutorial helpful for you and you know how to make the most out of this little prop. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional yoga classes and tips delivered directly to your inbox. Stay safe everyone. Namaste.